good morning. It's almost September. That blows my mind. Yeah, the summer's been just like any other California summer, a little bit too hot for my liking. But yeah, it's been nice for the weather to cool down and for the lighting to change. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to start lighting my little candle right here. I know this sounds crazy, but it really does warm up my room pretty quickly, I find. I don't know if anyone can relate to that, but yeah, I find that it's actually quite an efficient way to keep my room warm. The other thing I have out that I always have year round is this little guy. It's just like an oil diffuser, and today I'm using this bergamot essential oil. And yeah, it's made of concrete and it just kind of disperses the oil, so it kind of infuses into the air, and I find that that's a lot less irritating for my airways and all that. Drinking a coffee this morning, I couldn't decide, or I was like really just back and forth about what to drink. I was like, to go with Earl Grey, coffee, hojicha. I also drink mate, like the traditional way. Today is the 14th actually. Just looking over at my clock over there, has the date. But yeah, I just probably will show you some clips of things that I've been doing over the first half of the month. I've recently decided to try my hand at some painting, which I haven't done in years, and I've actually never used oil paints. I haven't done any sort of research. I just kind of bought a kit and said, hey, let's get started, which is honestly usually how I go about things. I'm very much a hands-on learner. So I made some focaccia today. I'm not quite sure what flavor I want to go. I'm kind of like maybe thinking I'll use anchovies, but not sure if I'm feeling that bold. Unfortunately, I ate a bunch of olives yesterday that I probably could have used today. That would have been wonderful, but it's already gone, so we'll have to think of something, and I'll probably fill you in on what that is. I didn't finish that book, what was it, Lonely Crowds, that I started reading it kind of just felt too heavy, to be honest. I'm sure I'll finish it at some point. I'm really good at starting books and getting into another book immediately after. So one that I started and that I've actually made it past the halfway point is this one. Never read anything like it before.